Sound check, test the sound 112 111. Sound check, test the sound 12111. Sound.
Sitaram everyone. So we are about to start satsang. So I invite you all to put your hands together and close your eyes as you open my prayer. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namo Namah. Mangalam Gurudevaya, Mangalam Dhyanadhayani, Mangalam Parivasaya, Mangalam Satyasaya. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswati Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Gurudakaya Namaha. So now I invite you all to chant together with us, sing together with us, clap, free yourself from yourself. Pahi pahi, pahi pahi, Gajanana, Gajanana, Parvati Nanda, Gajanana. Pahi pahi, pahi pahi, Gajanana, Gajanana, Parvati Nanda, Gajanana. Parvati Nanda, Gajanana, 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 Mahaparvati
हरिओम बोल गणेश भगवान की बोलिए सीतापति रामचंद्र की. So sit around again, children, as once more we join in this family, the Kisun family, as they observe the monthly Shravan. And I'll remind you at this time that soul is still in the stage of the Preet, not yet in Pitrilok. It's only after the 1 year Bandara has been completed, then it says that one ascends to the Pitrilok. So at this time, the soul has all the samskaras, all the impressions. It is still in the Linga Sharir form, where all the impressions of actions and thoughts and words are now housed. This teaches us that it is not only imperative how we live our lives by our actions, but also by our words and our thoughts. So as we join in wonderful divine satsang, and as we chant and sing, create within your very own self a nice divine atmosphere. We're going to spend in each other's company almost 2 hours. The choice we made to come here, each and every one of us, we made that choice. And we alone can decide how we'll spend these 2 hours. Am I going to sit here and just allow it to pass through and waste 2 hours of my life? Am I going to sit there and take it in and absorb and maybe let the katha become a refresher to me, because I am sure all of us here, many of us would have heard the same katha tonight. I'll read from Uttarakhand, Ramcharitmanas. You probably know by heart. But if we listen and become part of it, then we can all learn something new. We can fall in love with the katha over and over again. Fall in love with the glories. Katha tumhari shubhagasari nana. Bhagavan says. Fall in love with my katha, fall in love with my leela, fall in love with my story, fall in love with the way of life. Because when you do that, then we want to become like that. We want to become like the Bhagavan. Because we are children of God. So we're supposed to have those qualities. So clap and sing along, children. And let us enjoy a wonderful evening of satsang. We join this beautiful child now in bhajan chant.
नाचती आई गणपति आनंद राधे गोविंद राधे गणपति आनंद राधे गोविंद राधे नाचती आई गणपति आनंद राधे गोविंद राधे नाचती आई गणपति
voices here, and you know, that's the best part about it. You know, after satsang, all of us is finding our voice. Doing satsang, Jai Bhagwan. Boliye Sitapati Ramachandra ki. Pavana Putrana Mani ki. Jai Bhagwan. So we join and clap with me and sing. It's a wonderful time. We're going to commence the Shuri Karan. Shuri Karan Puja means a purification puja from tomorrow night at the Dawri Chindu Mandir, where we prepare ourselves and our mind with continuously offering up the bilva leaf onto the lingam with few drops of water, and we chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And of course, prepare the mind for Mahashivratri. We chant Mahadeva, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, 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 Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, 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 Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, 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 Shiva Shankaraya, 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 Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, 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 Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, bolo, Mahadeva, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, 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 Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, 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 Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, 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 Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, 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 Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva, Oh Shiva Shankaraya, Mahadeva. So children, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankaraya, Om Shiva Shankaraya, Namah Shivaya, Shiva, Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Shiva Namah Shivaya. Har Har Bole, Namah Shivaya, Shiva. Namah Shivaya, Shiva. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya, Shiva Namah Shivaya. Har Har Bole. Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Shiva Namah Shivaya. Har Har Bole. Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Shiva Namah Shivaya. Shiva Namah Shivaya Shiva. Hari Om Bol Shri Shankar Bhagwan ki Jai. Har 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 Mahadev. You know, when you allow yourself to enjoy, you have a wonderful divine experience, it makes having this human life, this existence, more meaningful. Hanumanji was given a very important task. And he had to go with instructions of Prabhu Shri Ram to seek out Bharat. And to tell to Bharat, your brother Shri Ram is coming. And he's bringing a lot of saints and munis and rishis and friends. And of course, our Chota Bhai, Lakshmana and Devi Sita Ma. And when you were telling him, I'm coming, I want you to look at his face. I want you to look at his expressions. When you look at him and you say to him that I am coming, I want you to see, oh Hanumanji, because I want to know if my brother has become covetous, like our mother, Mother Kaikeyi. Prabhu Shri Ram in the form of man. And here now he's telling to Hanumanji. Children, when you listen to this katha, in this katha, I am sure you will find your own interpretations as you must have heard before. But I want you to see how a wonderful friend can be, a devotee, a brother. And here now Hanumanji, he is looking on the outskirts of Ayodhya. On the outskirts of Ayodhya, there are many different hovels. And the citizens of Ayodhya who live on the outskirts, they are all there in their own little homes. But Hanumanji is looking in, and he's passing everyone straight. What would attract Hanumanji to the hovel, to the hut of Bharat? How would God find us? In what way, in what form? What will we be doing when that time comes? Where will our mind be? Because sometimes we are in satsang, but our mind is all over. Sometimes we are in the mandir, we are fasting. I've been fasting for 10 years, I've never eaten meat in my life. I always in the mandir and puja. But where is the mind? What condition the mind is in? Like someone said to me, I'm in Temple Nisi, actually 2 Sundays ago, and they said to me, I could stay home and pray. And I said, very true. I was invited her to the mandir in Temple Nisi. She said, I have to go to mandir, I can stay home and pray. I said, no problem, but you can't stay home. When you're dead, you're burying your home. See, right next to the temple, there's a cremation site here. And she said to me, I do not need any pandit to do my puja. And I said, very good, and I agree with you 100%. But when you die, the family still want a pandit to do the rites and rituals. Isn't it? It's a fact of life. We say our mind is our mandir. Examine your mind and see what condition it is in. See what condition we have our mind. And then tell me if that is a mandir you want Bhagwan to dwell in. So listen to what this beautiful Doha says. Beite deke ku shah asanna O Rama jata mukuta Krishnagan. Beite deke ku shah asana. Sitting on that seat of the kush grass, Hanumanji saw this person. Jata Mukut Krishnagat, very emancipated, very small, very skinny. His hair is coiled on top of his head, on the crown of his head. Rama Rama Raghupati Japat त्रावट नयन जलजात सीतापति रामचंद्र जी की जय शरणम. And what this person is doing? What attracted Hanuman to get to that hut? How did Hanuman know that that is the hut of Bharat? What caused him to do that? Ram Ram Bhaju Ram Ram Bhaju Ram Ram Bhaju Ram. Say. And that is how Hanumanji went to that hovel. That is how we know which hut to go in. But there he is now looking at all this person is doing. He is chanting and japavena. Ram hai Raghupati japat hai. और कमल सिरों के नेत्र से जल निकलता जाता है. While he is doing that, he is crying. And the wooden karao, the wooden sandals of Prabhu Shri Ram sits on the asana, this high seat there before him. And the tears of Bharat is washing the sandals of Prabhu Shri Ram. And he's chanting Ram Ram Bhaj Ram Ram. He's singing the glories of Prabhu Shri Ram. For 14 years. Abhi ka kam satsang for 2 hours. 7 days in a week. And still on a Sunday morning we have the perfect excuse. And a lot of excuses. One of the most important one that stands out all the time, that Monday you have too much of what? And your home have the most? So I don't go to the Monday because there are too much of problems there. And I don't like the Pandit, I don't like the executive, I don't like this one, I don't like that one. But your house, Jai Bhagwan. So for 2 hours, 1 hour in a week, we can't give to Bhagwan. Chalna Tirath chali jao. Valmiki told to Prabhu Shri Ram, you see those people who take their legs and go to mandir and go to ashrams and go to satsang and go and help other people, go dwell in the hearts of such people. Dwell in the hearts of such people. He said those people. He said he did not say those of that certain caste or that certain lineage or those who have connection or those who have money. He said those people who chant your name, those people who take their legs and go to ashram, those people who do seva, those people who help other people, dwell in the hearts of such people. And you must ask yourself, am I one of those? Am I one of those? Am I that person who Prabhu Shri Ram can come and dwell freely on? So that is how Hanumanji found Bharat. Sitting in this ashram, chanting away. And Bharatji is not even aware that Hanumanji is looking at him. Because he is caught up in his devotion. Nitini tumko aniti tumko nahi achhi lagti hai. He is not aware of what is happening. He is not aware of anything. He is concentrating solely on what he is doing, what he is about. That's why I say to people, many times in puja, I am doing puja for somebody, and they have their thali in their hand, they are going to make offering. They are going to offer the prasad. But what happened? Somebody come with a camera before them, and I have to wait in the middle of the chanting and fix their urni before they take out the picture. And that's a fact that happens all the time, isn't it? And then next day, is he done? Facebook. So where is it? Mine. If physically we are making an offering to God, then we must make that offering how again? Mentally. And only then we can achieve it how? Spiritually. So physically make an offering, but think of Bhagwan. And then we can achieve spiritually. So let's hear now what this Chaupadi says to us. Jai Ram Sita Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Rama, Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Jai Jai Ram Sita Rama, Shri Rama, Jai Rama, Jai Jai How beautiful. Hari Om boliye Sitaapati Ramachandra ki Jai Jai. So, looking at this scene before your eyes, so you must see Bharat sitting there, and you must see Hanumanji. Think of how Bharat was described. Very emaciated, look at very skinny. See the kush grass that he's sitting on. See the little bit of fruits and water that he's having only. See all his hair coiled up his hair. See that, become witness to the katha. Become part of it. Goswami Tulsidas, ये सारे का है या भरत की दशा देख महावीर जी भरे प्रसन्न हुए। वाल्मीकि ने ऐसा लिखा है, रघुनाथ जी के महावीर जी ने कहा, यदि भरत का जितना राजा में होगा तो हम अयोध्या की ना चलेगी। इस बात को सुन महावीर जी मन कुछ मिल नहीं गया था, परंतु अब यह दशा देख ऐसे प्रसन्न हुए कि शरीर पुलकित नेत्रों से जल बसने लगे। मन में अनेक प्रकार से दुख मानकर भरत जी के कानों से अमृत से समान वाणी बोली। All this is taken place, not a word from Bharat. And what it means at this time, they offer their pranam to each other, their respect to each other. Hanumanji knew who he was looking at. Bharat was still lost in a little bit of confusion. He's lost because he's caught up in all his little devotion and his longing for his Bhagwan. Prabhu Shri Ram sent Hanumanji on this mission. Look, I want to see if my brother has been corrupted like his mother. But here, this is how he's finding Bharat. I want you to remember those instructions that Hanumanji had. But look how he's finding Bharat. And the words that he will spoke is like nectar on the air of Bharat. Amrit Vani. Those words fell at that moment like honey and will immediately take away his sorrow. As he looked at him, oh Bharat, without hesitation, with the softest meaty Rasbhani say, and the sweetest voice, with his hands joy, with his eyes brimming with tears, as he looked at Bharat. So caught up in this Magan, the emotion, as he's looking at the brother of Prabhu Shri Ram in steadfast devotion to his Lord. He says, रघुकुल तिलक सुजन सुख डांटा, जिसके वियोग में रात दिन सोच करता है. You see that person who you are grieving for night and day? Oh Bharat, he has sent me to you. And he has sent me to tell you, जिसके गुणानुवाद को लगताहे रहता है, वही रघुकुल तिलक देवता मुनि योग के रक्षा में. That after having destroyed the Rakshas, and you will give him the katha of Prabhu Shri Ram in the forest and in Lanka. He has sent me to tell you that he is coming back to you. That Lord that you are pining for, that one who you are grieving for, he's coming back to you. And he's not coming alone. He's bringing everybody with him. He has so many friends. He has met wonderful devoted people just like you, O Bharat. Wonderful friends. And they are all coming back to Ayodhya. I want you to think of the mindset of Hanumanji. I want you to know the importance of that statement. Because Hanumanji will answer another question later on in this katha. He was sent as an envoy, as a messenger. Prabhu Shri Ram adores Hanumanji. Most trustworthy, most ardent devotee. Hanumanji did not take sides. Hanumanji could have easily said, oh, this is Bharat. His mother has done so and so. And because his mother did this, then Bharat must be just like that. Because my Lord told me to look for that. Hanumanji could have had all those little question in his mind and doubt. You see how God teaches us by their own action? If only we pay a little bit of attention to it. Hanumanji could have judged this situation differently. He could have turned up his nose as Bharat. He did not do that. In fact, he felt connected to this Bharat who is crying and who is weeping for his Lord. There is nobody who loves Prabhu Shri Ram more than Hanumanji. But here he is seeing before his eyes another devotee, maybe greater than him, who is worshipping his wooden sandals of the Lord. That's all he has in remembrance of his Lord. And he's worshipping that. We have 5,000 Maruti in our home and we pass all straight. Our tongues are working our mouth and we will refuse to say Ram Ram or Sita Ram. Our hands are working and we refuse to clap. Paint yourself and put yourself in this situation. And then I want you to look at Bharat. Because Bharat also had a choice. Bharat could have stayed in that palace for the 14 years and be comforted with servants, ministers of court to look after him. Where would we have chosen? What would we have chosen? The palace or a little hut? There's no one else to rule. Bharat is the person right next door. He have to fulfill the bone of his father, isn't it? But where is he? He could have easily said, well, there's nobody to look after the palace, so I have to sit in the throne. Ask yourself these little questions. There's a beautiful katha unfolds before us. Jai Ram Sita Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Jai Ram Sita Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Ripurana ji ki sun, Yashasur Bhava, Sita Anujasa, Sita Prabhu Ava. Jai Jai Sunata bachana visa, risa baduta, Krishavanta jivika, paya piluta. Jai 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 Ram Sita Ram, Jai Shri Ram Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama. Sing children. Jai Ram Sita Rama. Bolo. बोलिए सीतापुरी रामचंद्र की। उन्होंने शास्त्र की हरण में जीते लिए देवता यशा वरण करते ही वे प्रभु सीता लक्ष्मण के सहित आ रहा है। ये स्टोरी है। वचन में महावीर जी के ना लक्ष्मण देखा कुशल भी यहाँ दे है। यह वचन सुनते ही भरत को सब दुख मिट गए, जैसे प्यारी को अमृत मिला गया है। So Bharat is listening to all of this, and Hanumanji continues. He is not stopping, because why? Why he is not stopping? He's carrying good news. And Bharat is enjoying all this good news while he's telling him. And he says, do you know also that your brother Lakshmana is coming and Sita Ma is coming. Aa raha hai. All of them is coming. He continues to tell good news to Bharat. He continues to uplift him. Isn't it? Now think about this. I want you to think about this situation. If we were sent as messengers anyway, or sometimes we don't know a story. We don't even know the katha. We don't even know what happened. We only hear a little bit. We call somebody and we give them what? A different katha. We add our piece to it. We add our version of it. Here he is trying to uplift the spirits of this crying, and Bharat felt like he was drowning in sorrow. He is drowning in sorrow. His heart no longer can take it. He is yearning to meet his Lord. He is yearning for his Lord to come back. You know, like you ever meet somebody and you're not feeling good, na? Oh God, girl, if you know how my back hurting me. But before you could finish, you talking about pain? You don't know pain, you know. You going to them because you want a little bit of comfort. No? You want a little bit of sympathy. You want somebody to say, oh, I am sorry. You can go, you can use this. Now I'm terribly sorry. Huh? And instead, girl, my foot, my back, my knee, oh God, you don't know pain. Isn't it? It happens to all of us. We tell somebody, do you know I heard there's a little incident down the road here? We know everybody. Business. I don't leave my house. I don't go nowhere, you know. But girl, if I tell you. So sometimes we use information the wrong way. Here now what Hanumanji is using this information. He's using it to uplift the spirits of Bharat. And that is the purpose of a human being. To uplift another human being. We are not here to bring them down. You can read 10,000 books in the entire library. But if you don't teach anybody anything, it is of no use. That is dead information. You can know all the scriptures by heart. But if you do not teach anybody or uplift another human being, it is of no use. Because who wrote those things? Man. So don't tell me, as a human being, we do not know how to treat another human being. All of us know what it's like to feel pain, to be betrayed, to have people who are jealous of us, who have people to backbite us, who have people to gossip about us, who have people to tell lies and rumors about us. There are people who like to see us happy, isn't it? So then why do we do that to other people? If we know those things happen to us, why do we do it to other people? Look at the Katha. The Katha is teaching us how to behave. But yet still we close this Ramayana book and say it is Kisa. We close this Ramayana book and say, Jai Bhagwan, I heard that Katha 10,000 times, it is no way in a Katha. Isn't it? We can't just read and don't find the love and the beauty in what we read. And understand with the heart as well. Understand the emotion that has been portrayed before our very eyes. Allow the Katha to come alive in your mind. Become a witness. Be a witness to the Katha. Like Shiv Shankar and Uma Devi. Be a witness to the Katha. All the sorrow of Bharat disappeared. And Bharat began to dance with joy. He is so happy. If you have good news, you'll dance with joy. You become ecstatic. No longer you are tied down to anything. So here he is, dancing his heart to be. And then, here what happens. Tumhi mere mandir. Bolo? Tumhi mere. Tumhi devata ho. Jai Ram Sita Rama. Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Rama. Jai Ram Sita Rama. Jai बोलो राम 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 ओ राजा, ओ बोलो राम 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 ओ सीता। हरि ओम बोल पावन पुत्र हनुमान की जय जय। So while Bharat's taking in this good news and he's dancing as like if he's in a trance, you know, absorbing all this nice thing. My Prabhu Shri Ram is coming, मेरे राम आएंगे, मेरे भगवान आएंगे, मेरे भैया आएंगे. And I could imagine how nice he's dancing and chanting. And then it dawned to him, all his happiness has come to me just like that. For 14 years I've been drowned in sorrow. For 14 years my heart has been ripped to shreds. All of a sudden, it has come better. And I'm no longer worried. He turns to Hanumanji and he drew his eyes. With his tears streaming down his face. He died. आप कौन हो? कहाँ से आया हो? मुझे बहुत प्यारी वचन सुनाई है. Listen to this. He says, hey Tat, आप कौन हो? Who are you? कहाँ से आया हो? And tell me, where have you come from? Very softly and very sweetly, in the same manner that Hanumanji approached him. In the same manner in which Hanumanji had spoken to him and said, your brother Shri Ram is coming, your Bhagwan is coming, your Sita Devi Ma is coming, your Lakshmana is coming, and so many friends are coming. In the same sweet voice, he's saying back now, he's asking, who are you and where have you come from? And tell me, Bharat ke sab dukh mit gaye. Just like that, his sorrow has been disappeared. Just like that, his sorrow disappeared. How do you think Hanumanji would answer this? Hanumanji, who has a gift, who has the city to take any different form that he wants. This Hanumanji who has constructed a bridge. This Hanumanji who flew and went to Lanka and helped destroy the city of Lanka, helped destroy Ravana, who helped find Mother Sita. How would this Hanumanji answer? What would he say? Don't you know who I am? You are asking me? What would you say, children? What would we have done? How would Hanumanji respond to this? And he said, मैं पवन सुत हनुमान बनाड़ हूँ, सुन कृपानी दान, यही मेरा नाम है भरत. He says, oh Bharat, I am the son of the wind. I live in the tribes of the monkeys. Hanumanji is my name. And he continues, he says, दिनों के पालक रघुनाथ जी के मैं दास हूँ. I am just an ordinary messenger of Prabhu Shri Ram. मैं दीना बंधु हूँ. I am just a servant. मैं दास हूँ. I am a servant of your brother. That's all I am. That is all I am. I am just a servant. We don't have anything at all. We don't have anything at all. We read 2 books and we know it all. We do one good deed and we become a saint. Examine our lives and tell me. Here he is, he sits at the feet of Bhagwan all the time. Ram Dharbahi. He sits at the feet of Prabhu Shri Ram all the time, and here he's saying, I am only a servant. The Lord has relied on him on so many things. Because of Hanumanji, this Ramayana could have been written and the history of it could be told as it is today. But this is what he says, I am only a servant. I probably would have said, I'm the right hand man. Your brother depend on me for everything, you know. Huh? What would we have said, children? Don't just pass it as once upon a time there was just Hanumanji who met Prabhu Shri Ram. No. Learn from it. Let us all learn from it. I'm only a servant. We are all only servant of God. And if we are servant of God, then our purpose is to do what? Serve. Thank you. Our purpose is to serve. But what do we prefer to do? Hand down orders, no? We prefer to dictate the pace. We prefer to treat people beneath us. Both of us are human beings, but no, you still lower than me. Because why? My name is this and your name is that. But COVID come and mash up everybody. Whether you're Brahmin, Chatri, Sud, you have money or don't have money, you're rich, you're poor, you're born in the highest lineage or not. What COVID did? Taught us a lesson. Taught us a lesson. And I often ask people, you're telling me you're this and you're that and you're a high nation and you're this and you have money and you have connection. When you go to the hospital, do you ask for a Hindu doctor? With that lineage only? When you have money in your hand, how many hands did it pass through? So ask yourself, when we allow ourselves to think like a lesser form, like animals, without reasoning, without thinking, how then are we calling ourselves human when we ill-treat another human being? We don't want it for ourselves, but yet we give it to others. Do unto others as you would like them, do unto you. This is a katha all about. This is a katha all about. And I told to Devi, I'm going to listen to some of the tapes of her father. And I'm going to read that katha. And this is a katha, and I'm trying to imitate his style and some of the things he said in the katha. He said, don't pick up this book and then read it and close it and say, well, Hanuman went and he tell Bharat. He said, and you're reading? Oh gosh, I'm going to say with your eyes closed, but my eyes are always closed too. You'll be reading it blindly, we're not reading it with the heart. We're not reading it with the heart, we're like the storybooks we had in school once upon a time. So we have to learn to live our lives with the reality of the world. And all of us can do our part. Every single one of us, while scientists and doctors are fighting to find a cure for this COVID, what we are doing? What is our contribution to that? Tell me. As a normal human being, what are our contributions to that? What are we doing to help that cause? Nothing. Nothing at all. We don't want to pray. We want to blame everybody why we have COVID here. We think that we will not even get it. We think that COVID is not even real. And sometimes we repeat the things that others said, not knowing how much merit or word there is in it. But we take. Like I told someone today, something she sent to me and I stopped her and I said, listen to me, don't hand me any more of that. And what I done, fat already, you giving me more thing to talk? Don't give me no garbage. Whatever corruption you want to talk about, keep that to yourself. I need to carry my own. Why am I going to take up other people's trouble? Other people gossip. If this one doing that and that one doing, let them be now. Just you don't do it. So the katha is saying Hanumanji went on a mission and he's fulfilling that mission. Bharat is doing his duty as a brother. He's asking, who are you, in a very nice way. He did not come and he said, who are you? Where you come from? Why are you disturbing me? Who are you to talk to me? Don't you know who I am? I'm a Yuvraj, I'm a prince. Bharat also would have acted like that. Look at the katha, children. This one chaupaya alone, we can take it one by one and we can get thousands of lessons. If only we allow our minds to be open to all of that. But it does not happen. Because we have filled ourselves with so much of ego. And we feel we cannot learn anything more. I know it all. But you can't. Because I say if your father was a doctor, you were born a doctor. If father is a lawyer, you're not a lawyer. If father is a policeman, you're not a policeman. Everybody has your own karma and your own way. But we could learn from what our elders have done and put it to good use. We can learn what our scriptures are providing and put it to good use. Don't tie, yourself down by your ego. Sometimes our biggest downfall is our ego. And I told you, I think I must have said this to you. A lady come to me and she said, every day I pray and me I see my way. I see my way. I said, well, can't you continue to pray? So she said, no, girl, I'll get my satisfaction one day. And she's beaten her chest. Why? She said, auntie, what you praying for? She said, you know what trouble my neighbor is give me, So you praying, every day you offer a lota jal for your satisfaction, for something to happen to your neighbor. You see how sometimes we think we are using God. Children will not, see when that time comes for us to leave this world, it will not matter who we are or who we know. It will not matter. Pumpkin, the same guy who working my guides, if you're lucky. We look after our body, rich, poor, Brahmin, Sudra, Vaishya, everybody. You think they have a special way to put you in a mortuary? No. So, if while we are alive, we can prepare ourselves for death, because that is the only thing that is show off, nothing else. So live your life in such a beautiful way. Look at what is happening before our eyes. Hanumanji, the perfect devotee of God, most ardent devotee of Bhagwan. Here he is crying now together with Bharat. And they embraced each other, Bharat Bharat. And they both embraced each other. Netra se jal, and both of them tapakne lage. He say laga liye. Both of them began to hug each other up very, very tightly and embrace each other. And at that moment, Shiv Shankar Bhagwan is telling to Mother Parvati, he said, oh Uma, oh Devi, look at this. Look at what is happening before our eyes. It is a union of two beautiful souls meeting, bereft of anything else. No malice, no hatred, no jealousy, no covetousness. Embracing and loving each other as beautiful divine beings. Why can't we do that with each other? Without finding meaning, without finding fault. Why can't we do that as well? Why can't we just be human a little bit? Why can't we be kind? We have a name for everybody, Hanumanji described himself as a messenger. He said, I'm a dasmaid, I'm a servant. If somebody calls me servant also, I'd be vexed. But we as a people, we have a name for everybody. A fella have a lame foot, we call him all. You have a kind of funny hand, we call him. You have one eye, you have cross eye, we have a name. Hanumanji says, I'm a servant. We all say we are servants of God. Let's live up to our names. Boliye Sri Ramachandra ki. And the katha continues. I will just tell you a little bit more. Hanumanji also, as he got to narrate to Bharat, everything that took place in the forest. That whole katha. About abduction of Sita and all of that, and about Jatayu and everybody he can think of, and he's telling to Bharat. And Bharat is eating up all his information. He's loving it. Bar puchi ho, kusha lata hai. Tell me again. Over and over he wants to know. Over and over, tell me the katha of my Lord. I want to hear it again and again and again. If I come back tomorrow and read this katha, and the next day, what do you say? She come back with the same thing. By the way, I read this katha here a bit. Okay. We'll say what? She come back with the same katha again. But yes, Bharat is asking, please tell me more. Tell me more about this katha. Because he's savoring it. And then, Bharat asks him, he says, tell me what I may do for you. You have brought me so much of good news. What may I give you in return? What do you think Hanumanji asked for? Did he ask for anything? Anybody? You know when I leave here, all you know this cat, huh? And all gonna destroy me before I walk over the gate. Huh? What did Hanumanji ask for? Did he ask for anything? Huh? No, he didn't. But Bharat what? He insisted. We have a custom, isn't it? Long time you can't go and pick the leaf from the tree or a flower. What we have to do? Ask permission. Nobody fends on breaking up piece of the people. Nobody picking leaf any time, it doesn't matter. And when you do that, you have to put a little bit of change where? By the root of the tree. If you go to the mandir, we give to the pandit or somebody. So because we believe that we must not owe anything. Hindus believe that we must not owe anything. We have to pay all of our debts, otherwise we come back again according to the law of reincarnation. So we have to pay. So what did Bharat ask? He said, please tell me, what may I do for you? Hanumanji said, well, I don't need anything, I don't want anything. But bless me, O Bharat, so that I may always sit at the feet of my Lord. That I must always remember Him. That I must always think of Him. May my mind never leave Him. If you want to give something, Bharat, then give me that blessing. What would you have asked for? Anybody? You are talking to a prince here. This prince said to you, hey, what may I give you? You brought me such good news. What can I give to you? What you'll ask for? Well, boy, I could shake your hand. But I will tell him, give me the money to find the cure. Yeah? What will we ask for? Huh? Well, Mr. Prince, I came all the way here and I live in a forest. So maybe give me some money, give me some gold, give me this. We never know how our mind will work. We never know, because even as a normal devotee, we like to make deal with God. God, if you give me this, I will give you that. If you help me child pass exam, then I will do 9 Devi Bhagavad Puran. So the child passed the exam, and we fed and we dance, and then we remember one day and we go to the temple and we carry one little tarya with some fruits and we say, God will understand. Isn't it? We say, God will understand. God knows my mind is clean. And God will understand. It is a fact whether you want to believe it or not. We make deals with God. God, help my child get better. Help me get better. Help me pass this. Help me get this. Oh Lord, please. I beg you, take me out of this problem. And I promise I will do this. I promise I will do that. After we get what we want, Jai Bhagwan. God is a very understanding God. 5 years later, 20 years later, down the road, problem come. I'm going through a gra. So we go to the Pandit and the gra does not work out. We still go into the problem. Well, that Pandit don't know what he's doing at all. So Princess Ang have a nice man. Well, I tell everybody living eh? You see any corner. So we say, well, we go to the man. And that man real good in a boy. That man, when I tell you, he good. Then take a look around at his environment. Take a look at his place. How good is he? Why didn't he better himself? All the lawyers, all the pandits, as Suruji was saying, and everybody we have, which one of us can find a cure for COVID? Which one of us? So if we ourselves don't have faith in God, if we ourselves don't have faith in humanity and have love and respect for each other, and live our life knowing that that time too will come for us, and that we'll be handled by people, our bodies will be handled by people who will look down. If we come to that realization, we will treat people nice. We will stop speaking to people. But do you know, we are the contributors of that. When people are gossiping, we contribute. I have something to tell you, but I can't tell nobody. I'm afraid to tell. Oh, no, tell me. I promise. I swear I won't tell nobody. And as you get the information, you take up the phone and you call somebody else. But if you put a stop to that immediately and you said, no, I don't want to know, and you put that person in place, do not give me any baggage, don't give me any gossip, I don't want to know. Tell me, what use is this information? Tell me. Look at it. How does that information help your life? What does it do to you? Now you are burdened out with other people's misfortune. And in your mind now you're more confused because you can't wait to tell somebody else. And then when you're telling this to somebody else, you act like if you see it and hear it with your own self. I'm telling you the truth. We must learn to know what, children, what better our life, what is good for us, what is healthy for us. I already have so much of karma. Why am I taking other people's burden for? Look what Hanumanji did. Over and over he said kind words, supporting words, comforting words to Bharat. Look at that. Look at the katha itself. Examine it. Look at it over and over again. Read it. Enjoy it. Understand it. Taste the sweetness of it. Fall in love with God. Fall in love with each other. Fall in love with a human being. You see, that human being is a replica of me. I am a human being also. I am a human being also. It is unfortunate that some of us might have a different lifestyle. There are so many homeless people, so many vagrants. Okay, it is their karma for them to be like that. But is it we are not incurring bad karma for ourselves when we look down on these people? When we ill-treat them? You tell me. Ask yourself that. One human being to another human being? And yet still God has created every one of us. We say that. Oh no, wake up. COVID is supposed to teach us a lesson. And children, if we don't learn that lesson, manda bati hai. Our minds become corrupted and we are bent on our own self-destruction. Boliye Sitapati Ramachandra ki. Boliye Sitapati Ramachandra ki. Jai Jai. Let us sing and let us clap. And then somebody should, when he let us dance, only dance one time more. So we sing this little kirtan because the children are, we have the Shivratri in the mandir that is coming. And we are keeping that mood with them, so please join us. Hari Om Bol Shri Shankar Bhagwan ki Jai Jai. Om Namah Shivaya Rudraya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Rudraya Namaha. Shivaya Rudraya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Rudraya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Rudraya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Rudraya Namaha. Shiva 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 Rudraya Namaha. Shiva 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 Rudraya Namaha. Om Shiva 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 Rudraya Namaha. Shiva 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 Rudraya Namaha. Om Rudraya Namaha. Rudraya Namaha. Om Rudraya Namaha. Rudraya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya 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 Rudraya Namaha. Hara 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 Rudraya Namaha. Shivaya. Hari Om Bol, Shri Shankar Bhagwani ki. So we have some beautiful singers here tonight. So I'll hand you over now to some of them. So I'll hand you over to Bruce, and then of course I have Ustad Sanilal. So he will come after.
दिव्य नाम कीर्तनमा भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम् शंकरादि सेव्यना दिव्य नाम कीर्तनमा राम भक्तम बलवंतम श्री राम भक्तम बलवंतम वंदे संतं हनुमन्तं वंदे संतं
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते Everybody say stop.
So I'm going to ask our Ustad ji. Ustad, Salima.